Visit visa from Dubai. From the golden beaches and world-famous outback to the buzzing cities like Sydney and Melbourne, Australia has something for every kind of traveler. Before you pack your bags, there's one important step: getting your Australia visit visa from Dubai. For UAE residents, the process is straightforward but requires careful preparation to ensure approval. In this comprehensive guide, we explain how to get an Australia visit visa from Dubai, the Australia visit visa requirements for UAE residents, common mistakes to avoid, and tips to successful tourist visa applications. Types of Australia visit visas. Australia offers several types of visit visas depending on the purpose and duration of your stay. Here are the common ones. 1. Visitor visa, subclass 600. This is the most popular visa for tourism, visiting family, or short business trips. It is typically granted for 3, 6, or 12 months. 2. Electronic Travel Authority (ETA), subclass 601. The Australia Tourist Visa (ETA) is an electronic visa available to citizens of specific countries. It allows multiple short visits to Australia within a 12-month period, with each stay capped at 3 months. 3. E-Visitor, subclass 651. This is another electronic visa for European passport holders. It's similar to ETA but specific to EU countries. Australia visit visa requirements for EU residents. Before you begin the application, it's essential to understand the general Australia visit visa requirements. Basic documents required for Australia visit visa: valid passport with at least 6 months validity, EU residence visa, valid for at least 3 months beyond the return date, completed visa application form, online via IMI account, passport size photographs, as per specifications, proof of funds bank statements for the last 3 to 6 months, travel itinerary, flight bookings, hotel reservations, employment letter or NOC from employer, travel insurance, recommended, additional documents for Australia visit visa, invitation letter, if visiting family or friends, marriage certificate, if traveling with a spouse, proof of ties to Dubai or your home country, e.g. property ownership, family ties. 7 steps to apply for an Australia tourist visa from Dubai. If you're wondering how to apply Australian visa from Dubai, here's a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Gather all required documents. Ensure all required documents are compiled and valid. Step 2. Create an IMI account. Register on the official Australian immigration website. Step 3. Fill out the application form. Log into your IMI account and complete Form 1419. Upload all necessary documents. Step 4. Pay the visa fee. Pay the visa application fee using a credit or debit card. Step 5. Submit biometrics. You may be required to visit the nearest VFS Global Center in Dubai to provide biometric data. Step 6. Wait for the decision. Processing time varies, usually between 15 to 30 working days. Check your IMI account for updates. Step 7. Receive visa grant notification. If approved, you'll receive an email with your visa grant number and conditions. Tips for a successful Australian tourist visa application. Improving your chances of getting a visa involves attention to detail and proper documentation. Here are some tips for a successful tourist visa application. Provide genuine information. Any inconsistencies or false data may lead to rejection. Submit a detailed itinerary. This shows your intention to return after tourism. Strong financial proof. Demonstrate sufficient funds to support your stay. Tie to home country. Highlight family, job, or property ties to the UAE to prove you'll return. Avoid last-minute applications. Apply at least a month in advance to allow for processing delays. Don't overstay. Your travel plans must align with the visa duration. Common reasons for visa rejection: incomplete or incorrect documentation, insufficient proof of funds, lack of travel history, unclear purpose of visit, doubtful return intentions. Applying for an Australian visit visa from Dubai can be smooth if you understand the process and fulfill the requirements. By following this detailed process, UAE residents can navigate the system confidently. Remember to seek visa assistance to avoid rejection if you feel overwhelmed. We at TravNook have expertise in releasing successful Australia visit visas from Dubai. We guide you in the process so that you don't face any rejection. Safe travels and enjoy your Aussie adventure.